Alex Eala falls to Czech foe in first round of Canadian Open. Filipina tennis ace Alex Eala fell to Czech Republic's Marketa Vondrousova 3-6, 6-1, 6-2 on early Monday, Philippine time, in the first round of the Canadian Open in Montreal. After Eala won the first round, the world know. 65 Vondrousova made sure to bounce back in dominant fashion to complete her comeback in a match which lasted for 2 hours and 6 minutes. Vondrousova also edged Eala in aces 7-0 and led in terms of service points won 62% against 54% and return serve points won 46% against 38%. The only thing I expected is she's gonna play a great match, and she has some great results before. I expected a tough match, and it was a tough one, so I'm happy to be through, Eala said in a post-game interview. With the win, Vondrousova, the 2023 Wimbledon champion, will face Ukraine's Marta Kostyuk in the second round. The 20-year-old Eala is expected to play next in the Cincinnati Open in the United States, which will start on August 7.